Hello, College Park Cougars and College Park families. I'm Camilla Whitlock, principal here at College Park Elementary. We want to welcome you to our 2020-2021 open house.
Hello, I'm Ella Galvan, Assistant Principal of College Park. We have had many challenges along the way, but we are rising to meet the needs of all of our students. We are going to have a bright year. Welcome to our open house.
Our College Park campus is a Title I school, and we do qualify for Title I because it's based on our income level of most of our students. Our funding that we use goes to purchase extra materials, tutoring, transportation, pays for our interventionists, and for professional development training that we have. Last year, we were not rated on our accountability due to COVID-19, but based on our 2019 data, our overall school grade was a B, and we did receive 2 distinctions in post-secondary readiness and closing the gaps.
Our attendance is vital to our student success. However, if they do have COVID-19 symptoms, please do not send your students. Remember, students can still continue to participate in school, even from home as virtual, until they are cleared to return to campus. And when they do, please ensure to see the nurse on their return. If absent, please send a written note or email of explanation within 3 school days for an excused absence. Students must be present 90% of the year in order to be promoted to the next grade level.
Parents and students, safety does matter. And we want to make sure that when you come to pick up your student that you bring a picture ID so that we can ensure the correct people are picking up your student, as well as sign them out so we have documentation who has signed them out. Also, safety being very important, we have put some special precautions in for COVID-19. All students and staff are required to wear masks, and everybody is doing a great job with that. Everyone is encouraged to wash their hands frequently or use hand sanitizer. We are practicing social distancing to encourage this, and this is encouraged throughout the building, in the hallways, in the cafeteria, and in the classrooms as much as possible. We're using shields in the classroom as well as our cafeteria, and every classroom as well as throughout the building has sanitizer and disinfecting wipes.
In our cafeteria, we have lunch that is provided free for all of our students until further notice. Likewise, we also have universal breakfast, which means every student receives free breakfast every morning. Some reminders. Students have a 30-minute lunch. Students may bring their own lunch, but be aware we do have some students with food allergies. Also, no visitors will be allowed in the building at this time. AR is a program for our students to practice and improve on their reading skills. Your student will have a reading level, and at the end of the year, they will reach their personal goal. Incentives will be given each 9 weeks to encourage students to reach their personal goal. So encourage your students to read every single day.
We still have a PTA, and so we want to encourage our parents to join. Membership this year is $6.50, and you can do this by going to pta.org to join. There will be drawings for CPE t-shirts, yearbooks, and also we will be giving the class or the grade level with the most participation a mystery party. So please make sure to join. We would like everyone to join before October the 15th.
Here are some important notes from both Ms. Whitlock and I. Our number one goal is to provide a safe and orderly environment that promotes student learning. The physical and emotional safety of all of our students is taken seriously. Preventative methods for bullying, fighting, stealing, and etc. are established, and such behavior will not be tolerated. Please read over the student handbook and code of conduct. If you have any concerns or questions, please let us know. Our doors are always open. We are here to assist you and make College Park the best it can be. Some forms of communication are our notes, the marquee. We do make callouts by phone. We have our College Park website and our Twitter account.
For 2020 and 2021, we want to show our spirit on Fridays. So your student or Cougars, you can wear your CPE shirt or you can wear your orange Bulldog shirt to support our LaPorte Bulldogs. Thank you so much for joining, and we are going to have a bright year this year at College Park.
Action.
Hi, College Park families. We're here to welcome you to a brand new year. This is our open house. We're doing it virtually, a little different, but I wanted to introduce you to everybody, and we're going to kind of take a walk through the school. We're going to start with our wonderful librarian here in a second, but as always, remember, it's your responsibility to do your best to be there on time, to be here for school. We love and miss you. Let's get started.
Miss Newman, Miss Shaw. Hi guys, Miss Morgan, special education teacher.
Hi, Miss Katie. I'm the aide for this class. Hey, Miss Salinas. Welcome to Early Childhood Special Education.
Hi, I'm Miss Maggie. I'm an aide.
I'm Miss Lytle. Hi.
Hi, I'm Miss Cotton. I teach pre-K.
Hi, I'm Miss Grimlet and I'm Miss Cotton's aide. Hi, I'm Miss Janus. I teach pre-K.
Hi, I'm Miss Cruz. Pre-K.
Hello, I'm Miss McKinley, kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Miss Curry with kindergarten too.
Hi, I'm Miss Weaver. I teach pre-K.
I'm Miss Masters, I'm the pre-K aide.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Canizales. I teach pre-K.
Hi, I'm Miss Mockman with pre-K.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Olsh and I teach kindergarten. Hi, I'm Mrs. Lewis and I teach kindergarten.
Hey there, I'm Miss McCarthy and I teach kinder.
Hi, I'm Miss Salcedo and I teach pre-K.
All right, gang, we're back. We finished with our littles. We're going to be moving off to our special and first grade. So pay attention. You may know some of these ladies.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Sam. I teach music.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Sinahosa and I teach computers.
Hi guys, Mrs. Stutz. I'm one of the first grade team.
Hi, I'm Miss Gonzalez. I teach first grade. Hi, I'm Mrs. Gunn. I teach first grade.
Coughlin, Kinder through 5th, Special Education.
Hi, I'm Miss Coughlin, Kinder through 5th, Special Education Aide.
Hi, I'm Miss Guzman, Kinder through 5th, Special Education Aide.
I'm Coach Jackson and I teach PE.
Alright guys, we finished with first grade. We're headed on down to second and third. Make sure you pay attention. These ladies are special to you.
Hi, I'm Miss McVie, redirect teacher at College Park Elementary.
Hi, I'm Miss Prickett, 2nd grade teacher.
Hi, I'm Miss Nixon, 2nd grade teacher.
Hi, I'm Miss Talley, 2nd grade teacher.
Hi, I'm Miss Pearson, 3rd grade teacher.
Hi, I'm Celine, 3rd grade teacher. Hi, I'm Miss Gano, 3rd grade teacher.
Hey guys, interventionist grades 3 through 5, Mrs. Vasquez. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Miss Bowman. I'm the reading dyslexia specialist.
Alright guys, we've made our way through the littles and the mediums. We're on to the big kids now. 4th and 5th grade coming at you.
Hi, I'm Miss Stevie. I'll be your reading and social studies teacher.
Hi, I'm Miss Hogg, 4th grade math and science. Hi, I'm Yolanda Joseph, 4th grade ELA.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Finnan. I teach 5th grade science and social studies.
Hello, I'm Miss Mass, 5th grade math teacher.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Owens, 5th grade ELAR teacher.
Alright, we've seen all of our teachers, but there are a lot of really important people who still are yet to be seen. These ladies work behind the scenes and help out during the day. So I want you to take a look at our wonderful people who keep our school clean.
Hi, we're the custodians here at College Park. My name is Claudia Mercado.
My name is Gloria Lizama.
Hi, this is Elizabeth. I'm custodian. Hi, my name is Blanca. And we're happy to be part of College Park Elementary, and we're here to help our students and our staff.
Alright guys, now we're up to those ladies who you see first thing when you walk in the door here at College Park. They are wonderful, all smiles.
Hi, I'm Miss Bree. I'm the principal secretary here at College Park. Can't wait to see all of our people back at school.
Alright friends, as we come into the school, we have a very special person who needs to know, and that is our school nurse.
Hi, I'm Nurse Brock. I hope that you're going to have a great year. And if you have any questions concerning anything medical or have any concerns, please reach out to me.
Alright folks, we're headed back into the brain of our school. This is where our leaders come from, alright? So we're going to start with our assistant principal.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma Galvan. I'm the assistant principal.
Hello, College Park Cougars. It's Camilla Whitlock. I'm principal here at College Park. And remember, we're here to make College Park the best we can make it. So if you have any problems, let us know so we can get those corrected. Have a great day.
And of course, your leadership team also involves me, the counselor, Mr. Rutherford. Happy to have you guys here. Any questions, feel free to call us. We're always available.